Hey guys, Parker earns a gross semi-monthly salary of $2,732.30. What is the total of his Social Security deductions for the year? Sorry about that. All right, so I know that to find his Social Security deductions, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take his gross salary, gross, times the Social Security tax rate. And that tax rate is the same for everyone. It is 0.062. Now, if you forgot that rate, you can either Google it, you can say what is the Social Security tax rate, or you can check our class notebook where I have all that information for you. All right, and that will be the amount of the deduction. So here, Parker makes $2,732.30. So I'm going to multiply that times 0.062 to find the amount of his deduction for each paycheck. So I'm going to put that in my calculator. I put in $2,732.30 times the Social Security rate, which is 0.062. And I find that each paycheck, they take out $169.40. Now I had to round that a little bit because there were more decimals there, but I made it look like money. All right, now I have to find out how much they take out per year. And to do that, I'm going to say deductions times the number of paychecks equals the annual deduction. Okay, so here the deduction was $169.40. Wait a minute, semi-monthly, how often is that? That means 2 times per month. So if there's 12 months, that means he gets 24 paychecks per year. So I'm going to say times 24. And again, that chart is in the notebook. All right, so I'm going to say 169.40 times 24 paychecks means that over the course of the year for Social Security tax, they will take out $4,065.60. That's how much he paid for the year or annually. Hope that helps.